Hey, my sump pump's getting old, so I picked up a Wayne 3/4 horsepower sump pump. This can remove up to 5,490 gallons per hour. All right, let's take this out of the box. This seems very solid, very well built. It's got a nice solid steel handle on the top. Here's your float. This is what's gonna turn your pump on. Here's your output right here. This is threaded, so you can thread a pipe, your output pipe, right into that. And there's a nice stand. This stands off the ground a little bit. I like that because a lot of dirt and sediment does collect on the bottom. And your intake for your pump is right here. So I'm gonna go get this installed and let's test it out. All right, so we have our discharge pipe. Obviously, I don't have any water in here right now, but if I want to quickly test the function of the pump, I can pull the float up. I can hear it running. And here's the pump in some action after some heavy rainfall. You can see this pump quickly discharges water out of the sump. It is made in the USA, and the float has been tested to 1 million cycles, so this should last a long time. I also love that this pump runs pretty quiet, so it won't disturb you.